I like to make a chicken quinoa bowl, and it is delicious, so much flavor. I am making the chicken first. I've just got 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I drizzled olive oil on, and then I'm sprinkling on some taco seasoning, which is one of the things that makes this so easy. You don't have to mix up the seasoning yourself. And then just a little bit of salt. Make sure the chicken is well seasoned. So I'm gonna put them right onto a grill pan, and I need to cook the chicken about 5 minutes per side until it's totally done. All right, I'm gonna let the chicken rest. And I'm gonna move over to the quinoa. This is a chicken quinoa bowl after all. Now I cooked some red quinoa, and I just used the package instructions. So I'm gonna zip it up with a little bit of lime juice, and then some lime zest, a little bit of salt, and some chopped cilantro. Quinoa is so delicious, and you can use it in place of rice in things like the chicken bowl that I'm making. Now I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. It is time to assemble. The first thing I'll do is add the quinoa, which makes perfect sense. I'll slice the chicken breast and just arrange it kind of around the edge of the bowl. And that's gonna leave room for lots of other good stuff, including this amazing salsa. It's easy roasted corn salsa. I threw half a cup of thawed frozen roasted corn kernels into a bowl with a 1/4 cup of diced red onion, a 2-ounce jar of drained pimentos, and half a cup of halved cherry tomatoes. Then I added the juice of a lime, a tablespoon of chopped cilantro, a pinch of salt, and gave it a toss. This salsa is so pretty. It's actually more like a corn salad, to be honest. And I am being generous with it in this bowl. I've got some sliced avocado, some queso fresco, a dollop of sour cream, a squeeze of lime, and then I like to put a couple of lime wedges on the edge of the bowl. Some hot sauce, of course. Perfection. The only thing that'll make it better is a sprinkling of cilantro. That is one beautiful chicken quinoa bowl. Now I'm gonna build another one just like it.